Hello and welcome back again. So I am back with another video. So today I am in Koh Pich Island. This kind side of city is like a European style building and road and everything. So if you are in Phnom Penh, must visit this island. So here you can see the river, near river, this one, and people are hanging out at evening time. Here you will find this walkway. So also there are some food stall and other shop if you need any food or drinks. So see, this is a very good place to hang out and also walk. So local people are mostly young couple and other local people are hanging here, buying drink, walking like this. So if you are here in Cambodia, must visit this place. So this city built very good. The architecture and other planning are very good this side. So I am leaving this here and watch the video with original sound. So I'll see you in the next video.